Hello and welcome. If you are watching this, chances are that you are preparing for the Certificate in International Trade and Finance, which is the CITF exam conducted by the LIBF. We all know that trade finance can feel incredibly complex, and studying for a professional certification on top of a busy work or university schedule is no easy task. That is exactly why I built this course. My goal is simple: to take you step by step through the entire syllabus, simplify the toughest concepts, and give you the exact toolkit you need to pass your exam with absolute confidence. Let's look at exactly how we are going to achieve that. The core challenge. What is the core challenge? The CITF exam doesn't just test your ability to memorize definitions, it tests your ability to apply international trade principles in the real world banking scenarios. Many students fail or lose confidence because they get overwhelmed by the dense theoretical jargon, or they don't get enough practice with exam style questions before the big day. This course is specifically engineered to solve that particular problem. We bridge the gap between dry theory and practical application. Now, what will you master? By the time you complete this course, you will have a rock solid grasp of international trade finance principles. We will demystify the critical instruments you see every day and face on the exam, such like letter of credit, bill of exchange, and documentary collections. You won't just know what they are. You will deeply understand how they flow in a real transaction and how the LIBF tests you on them. Now, inside the blueprint, what is inside the course? Here is how the learning journey works. Every single module is broken down into structured, engaging video lessons. I take the complex rules and break them into bite sized, easy to understand explanations with concrete examples. Then, right after the theory, you will take the dedicated unit test. These tests are meticulously designed to mirror the actual LIBF exam format, allowing you to instantly check your progress, find your weak spots, and fix them before moving forward. Who is this course for? This course is the perfect fit if you are a banking or finance professional aiming to fast track your CITF certification, a university student specializing in international trade, or anyone looking to build a premium skill set for your career advancement. You don't need advanced mathematics or you don't need prior certification, just a basic understanding of standard banking concepts. I handle all the heavy lifting to teach you the rest from scratch. Now, what is your call to action? Don't leave your exam success to some guesswork. Give yourself the advantage of a structured study plan, clear video breakdowns, and realistic exam practice. Now, click the link right below this video in the description box to enroll in the course on Udemy platform available right now today. Let's get started, and I will see you inside the first lesson. Thank you.